pleasant morning to everyone. I am Jaya Vimishan and I am a first year college student taking the course Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. The Fibonacci sequence is found all throughout our nature. It is naturally occurring pattern, and the example of this Fibonacci in nature are the branches of tree, seashells, flower plants, and flower heads. And the perfect example of the flower head is the sunflower. And of course, you are an example of the beauty of Fibonacci sequence. The human body has various representations of the Fibonacci sequence proportions, from your face to your ear to your hands, and you have now been proven to be a mathematically gorgeous. Knowing the examples of Fibonacci sequence in nature, we will be able to recognize patterns which use Fibonacci numbers. We will be able to explain that the Fibonacci sequence is a sequence in which a pattern of numbers is created by adding the previous two numbers together. And I realized the prevalence of these patterns in nature, and will learn and practice the process of creating a simple numerical sequence using Fibonacci numbers. And I realized that everything in our life has only mathematical things.
Hi guys! So I am Maria Joey Malinaw, and for today's video, I'll reveal what I discovered in nature of Fibonacci. Discover bougainvillea flower. As you can see, it has 3 petals that also represent a pattern in Fibonacci. In my realization, the flower is also subject to the Fibonaccian processes, which is number of petals in flower consistently follow the Fibonacci sequences.
Nature consists with different shapes, different angles, different features, and different forms. In connection to math builds these things. Like for example, the height of a tree. It tackles math by centimeter, meter, and feet. Shapes of leaves and stones. Some stones are circle, square, and triangle. Mathematics is everywhere. It is in the objects we create, in the works of art that we admire. Although we may not notice it, mathematics is also present in the nature that surrounds us. I am Lena Anderson, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Hi, I'm Merality Marano. These two different flowers is my discovery about nature Fibonacci. The petals of red, pink flower will be my discovery in relating to our lesson about Fibonacci numbers. I peeled each of one of the petals of red flower and count each of the petals in numbers. I also peeled each one of the petals of pink flower and count it also in numbers.
After peeling the petals, I use addition in adding the result of the counted petals. In red flower, it has 13 petals, and in pink flower, it has 12 petals. That equals to 25 petals. That's all about my discovery.
Guys, I'm Elevanchera Pipimante, and in this video I reveal what I discover in nature Fibonacci. As you can see, I discover orb webs. These circular creations are made by a class of spiders that called orb weavers that includes lot of common garden spiders. These are adjustments. These They adjust their designs based on which insects they're most likely to capture. If they mostly catch flies, they use a tighter weave, and if they're focused on crickets, the weave has to be stronger and thicker. That's all.